So it's like, say, cooking or driving a car. You have to go in a certain speed. You have to take the right turn. So initially, when we start, we don't know where to do, what is the speed, so we have to change the gear. Initially, for the first 2 months, you find that, okay, you don't know what is happening or something like that. So you will learn it like cooking. Or if you find it very difficult, you buy this and you see that tomorrow I don't know what to do, it's all going wrong, you can call us. We have crisis visit. Our service personnel will come. He has an experience of almost 8 years and he has been doing this. We will tell you what you were doing wrong, how you have to do it. So we have that one.
So how much kind of cost?
Sorry?
How much does it cost?
400 rupees. For the service, I said, the crisis. This costs 2100, 2100. That is the capital cost. And every month you will need one packet.
How much?
140 rupees. 1 month or even less than that actually.
Okay, once it is
Less
there,
than that as in one packet will last more, 1.5 to 2 months time.
I don't require this much of compost in my house. I don't have so many plants.
Yeah.
So what do I do? Put it in the garden.
Put it in the garden, you check with the association.
Donate. Plants will be more than happy.
Yeah. Your gardener will be buying some compost from somewhere. Use it. And the thing is, you don't get, say, if you're putting every day 1 kilo of waste, you don't, after 2 months time, you wouldn't get, say, 30 kilos of waste or compost, 60 kilos. You hardly get 5 or 6 kilos of compost.
So after like say 2 months, this bottom portion will be full of compost or it will be half only.
It depends on how much of waste you're putting, number one.
No, this much only comes.
If you're putting this much, you wouldn't even put anything into the bottommost unit in 2 months time. Yeah. This, to get both the units full will also take time. Yeah.
And how?
Mixing is not necessary at all, but if you mix, that is well and good because it actually helps to homogenize things and also air will get more into it.
Mix to the top.
From the top, in the middle.
You have this
How
thing.
heavy
Yes, ma'am.
How heavy this becomes for, say, ladies to lift?
So this becomes a little heavy. You can, somebody can try it, and with the waste, of course, it's going to get heavy. So we have another thing with 4 units with the same volume. So the weight of single unit will be less, but the process will be the same.
It's a smaller container.
Smaller container. Yeah. Ma'am, you are
Do you need this to
rake it,
mix it or
so
something?
it will help. So when you take it out and empty it out, you can just use it and just rake it out. So that.
And some balcony is like a waterfall.
So if it's falling directly on it, we have to protect it during the rain. What happens is during rain, even if you keep this lid, water wouldn't go through this. Water goes through all these and it affects the bottom tubing. What you can do is you can put a cover or something. If you're keeping in this balcony and all, rain wouldn't directly fall on it. But if in case you find that is happening, we have a raincoat also, which actually cover it through the body, so water doesn't go inside. Yeah.
Keep it in the sun.
Yeah.
A lot of sun is coming. Do you really require this?
Yes, of course, we need. Because carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, we need carbon. Yeah. What happens is, if you just put it, say if you are putting on the terrace, it will become dry. Nothing happens to it. It will lie as it is. And if it's not dry, it will start smelling. It's not about the heat. It's more about the proportion of carbon and nitrogen along with the air. Yeah. If you put the kitchen waste out in the sun, it will dry. It doesn't get composted. The water goes out, it just dries. That's all. Yeah.
Why is the mesh kept?
Yeah. Very good question. So what happens is, if you have excess water, you are putting rasam into it, and it's a completely covered one. The water is actually clogging there. It doesn't go somewhere, right? If water is there, it actually affects aeration process. Air doesn't go in, and it starts smelling. So that's why we have. If it's a mesh, the water goes down, get absorbed by the drier materials at the bottom.
No, if you keep a newspaper on the water.
If you have excess water, that's it. It's not necessary to have a thing, but this also helps in aeration. Air can get from the bottom also. Yeah? Good question.
What is better, keeping it in a sunny place or a dark place? Or somewhere between this balcony or some other?
It's fine. keep it in the balcony. Sun is not a mandatory thing. If you have a, why we don't ask you to put it inside is airflow. Airflow is much more important than sun.
Sun doesn't help for now.
It doesn't. If it's kept in the sun, there is a chance that it will get dried up if you are not putting enough moist material. If you are not keeping it in the sun, it happens. It doesn't really affect. Yeah, ma'am, somebody was asking me a question.
No, we don't have, but we have.